Hello everyone, this is Chandan and you are watching the learning field. So today in this session we are going to discuss the statistics general aptitude of GATE 2021 section. Okay. So we already covered the five last year papers of mathematics, and we now covering the 4 papers of statistics. Okay. So this is the second paper of statistics general aptitude of GATE 2021. In the previous session or in the last session, we have already discussed the GATE 2022 statistics paper. Okay. So let's start, and before starting we are requesting that please do we're requesting that if you are first in my channel, then please give a like to this video, share with your friends and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start, and question number 1. Okay, so the first question says that the current population of a city is 11,02500 if it has been increasing at a rate 5% per annum. Then what is the population after 2 years ago? Okay, so this is a very clear questions on the based on the concept of concept of compound interest. Okay, this type of problem based on compound interest. So the current population is this one. Okay, if the rate of increase of the population is 5%, then what is the population of 2 years ago? So suppose if the current population if after 2 years, or if the population is P0, okay, this is the current population, and sorry, it is the population after 2 years ago. Okay, 2 years ago. Okay, 2 years ago this is the population, and after 2 years the population is P. Then if we can write this as this is equal to P into P0 into 1 plus what R. This is the percentage of increase by 100 power n. N is the number of year. Okay, so we have to calculate, or we have to find this P. Okay, because this P is already given, so this is implies we can just put the values 11,02500. This is equal to P0 into 1 plus 5 by 100 power n. N means what? It means 2 years. Okay, so this is the formula and this is the calculations. So this implies P0 equal to what? 11,02500 into this is 20, so 21 by 20, and this is equal to 20 into 20 by 21 into 21. This is the complete calculation. Okay, so if we calculate, or if we cut, this is equal to 21, and we get 52500, and after that we get what? 2500. Okay, 2500. So if we multiply 2500, this 20 and this 20, we get 100 0000. This one is the answer. This is the population after 2 years ago. Okay, so this is the answer. So option C here the correct option. Okay, now going to the next question, question number 2. This is the question number 2. Question says that if P and Q are the positive integers and P by Q plus Q by P this is equal to 3, then the value of P square by Q square plus Q square by P square equal to. Okay, so this is a very easy problem. So we can write P by Q plus Q by P whole square. This is equal to what? P square by Q square plus Q square by P square plus 2AB. That means P by Q into Q by P. Okay, so the value of this is equal to 3 square. This is equal to P square by Q square plus Q square by P square plus just 2 here. Okay, so this implies very easy, P square by Q square plus Q square by P square. This is equal to 9 minus 2, which is equal to 7. Okay, so correct answer here is 7, option number B. Now going to the next question. Question number 3. It says that the least number of squares that must be added so that the line PQ becomes the lines. I think this is extra. I think doing a mistake during the typing. So the line of symmetry is, okay, so here 4. Now that means what? That means how many number of square we can add in this picture, okay, so that the structure is a symmetry with respect to this PQ axis, okay. So this is the question, okay. So first here it is given, suppose these all are 1 by 1 square. Suppose if we, here this is 1 square, therefore if we going to symmetric, or we need the symmetry picture, then we must have add 1 square here, okay. So this is suppose 1 square, okay. Now there is 1 square this position, therefore we also put the 1 square here, okay. This is 1 square, since this is the position of the square, therefore we have to add 1 square here, okay. So this is given square and it is a given, therefore the symmetry during for the symmetry we have to add a square here, okay. Now this is symmetry for this one. Now this is symmetric with this one, and this is symmetric with what? Now just a second, we have to put a square. So this is a square of symmetry, this is 1 square, so we have to put a square here also, okay, during the symmetric position. You just see the position of the square, okay, and here one square here, so we have to draw a square also here, okay. So if we see this, the complete picture, okay, just a second, and also drawing a square here, this is also a square, okay. So this is symmetric with the square, this one, okay. So we need how many squares? So 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, okay. So we need minimum 6 squares, okay, so that this is a symmetric picture of the given image, okay. This is the given image is incomplete, or the given picture is incomplete. We have to add the number of squares so that the complete picture must be a symmetric picture, okay, with respect to this PQ axis, okay. Therefore answer is here option number C. Now going to the next question. The next question is question number 4. It says that nostalgia is to anticipation as dash is to dash. Which one of the following options maintains the similar logical relation in the above sentence, okay. So we have to know first the meaning of these two words. One is nostalgia, okay. So nostalgia, we already we all I think know the meaning of this word nostalgia, because we are very familiar to this word nostalgia. What nostalgia means? What? Thinking about the past, okay. Something happened in the past, we after some years, or some happens, or something happens in suppose 10 years ago, and today we think about that, okay. So this type of words you can say nostalgic, you can say nostalgia, thinking about past, okay. Similarly, this anticipation means thinking about what? Future, okay, thinking about future. So nostalgia means thinking about the past and thinking about the future. That means anticipation means what? Suppose something happened very near future, suppose the result will be out after 2 or 3 days, or in the future, okay. So you have you think about that, okay. This type of words is anticipation, okay. So this is, that means what? That means nostalgia means past, okay. That is, this is past and is to future, okay. This is the correct option, option number C here, okay. Now going to the next question, question number 5. It says that consider the following sentence: I woke up from the sleep, I woke up from sleep, I woke up from sleep, I was woken up from sleep, and I was woken up from sleep. Which one of the above sentence are grammatically correct, okay. So this is the question. Now we just see the verb here, woke, okay, woke and woken. So first we just write the 3 forms of the verb: present form, past form, and past participle form. So the present verb is wake, okay. The present verb is what? The present verb is wake. Then the past, this is the present, this is the present, past is woke, this is woke, and past participle this is woken or woked. Okay, so these three are the forms of the verbs wake. Okay, so we need if we see the statements or sentence 1, it is given that I woke up from sleep. I woke up, that means this is clearly past tense, so this is the correct statement. Okay, I woke up, no, this is the not correct option, because this is the third form of the verb, and when we use the third form, then we also use the was, were, this type of be verb, okay, in the sentence. Okay, so here it says that I woken up from sleep, so this is correct, this is present tense, and this is past participle. Okay, tense. Okay, I was woken, no, this is not the correct form of the third form or past participle form, that is, this was incorrect. Okay, therefore 1 and 3 are the correct answer, option number here B. Okay, now going to the next question, question number 6, and these 5 questions are of 1 marks question. You all know that first 5 questions are of 1 marks question, and from 6 to 10 the questions are 2 marks question each. Okay, so question 6 says that just a second, it says that given below, sorry, this is, I think, so given below are 2 statements and 2 conclusions. Okay, statement 1 is all purples are green and all blacks are green. So, and there are 2 conclusion, one is some black are purple and no black is purple. Okay, so there are 2 statement and 2 conclusion. Okay, now the question says that based on the above statement and conclusions, which one of the following option is logically correct? Okay, so we have to find the logically correct conclusion. Okay, so there are 2 cases may happen. Okay, so I already said that this type of questions we solve using the Venn diagrams. Okay, then this will be very easy, otherwise the question will be very tough. Okay, so all purple are green. Okay, all purple are green. So all purple, suppose these are the purple are green, these are green. Okay, all purple are green and all black are green. So there are 2 cases may happen, purple and black are 2 distinct colors, and purple and black are some common colors. This is purple and this is green, sorry, this is black and this is green. So these 2 cases may happen. Okay, see, all purple are green, this is true. All black are green, yes, this is also true. In this case also all purple are green, all black are green. Okay, there is no statement in between or including these 2 color, purple and black. Okay, there is no statement given in between, or there is no relation given in between these 2 colors, therefore these 2 are the possible way. Okay, now conclusion 1 says that some black are purple. Yes, in this case some black are purple, yes, this can be correct, and no black is purple. In this case, okay, in this case this conclusion holds. That means what? Either conclusion 1 holds or conclusion 2 holds. Okay, so this is the correct explanation of the question. So that means what? Either conclusion 1 or 2 is correct here. Option C clearly correct here. Okay, these are the 2 possible cases. Okay, so we need to take, or we find that all possible ways of these statements. Okay, so this is the correct answer, option C. Now we are going to the next question, question number 7. So it says that it is, I think, English comprehension question. Computers are ubiquitous. Ubiquitous was, I think, what is the spelling? Ubiquitous. Okay, so they are used to improve the efficiency in almost all fields, from the agriculture to space exploration. Artificial intelligence, AI, is currently a hot topic. AI enables computers to learn, giving enough training data for humans. Sitting in front of a computer for a long hours can lead to health issues. Okay, so this is the paragraph. Now which of the following can be deduced from the above passage? Okay, so one statement is, nowadays computers are present in almost all places. Yes, this can be the correct option. Okay, this can be correct, I think. Yes, this can be correct statement. because it is given that improve efficiency in all fields, and in all places. These two are nearly similar meanings. Okay, and statement 2 says that computers cannot be used for solving problems in engineering. No, it is not given in the above passage, therefore we can't say because yeah, okay, this engineering word is not present in the above passage, therefore we can't say about this thing or this this word, this I think fields. This is also a field, and it is given also, you can discard from this word almost all field, therefore engineering is also a field, therefore it can be assumed that computers is also used in the field of engineering from the given passage. Okay, you don't need to follow the reality, you just go through with the passage. Okay, you don't use your own you don't use your own language or own something that own you have to write or you have to answer this question, just read through the topic or just read through this passage. Okay, so this is you need to remind. Okay, so option 3 or statement 3 says that for humans there are both positive and negative effects of using computer. Yes, this is also true statement, because in the last line it says that sitting in front of a computer for long hours can lead to health issues. This is the negative effects, and positive effects is all the things can happen with a computer, or all the fields we use computer to decrease the human laboring, you can say. Okay, to manpower, to decrease the manpower. Okay, man labor, we use computer here. Okay, so this is the correct statement. Artificial intelligence can be done without data. No, this is never true, because it is given enough training data for artificial intelligence, given enough training data. So this is clearly discarded, the option 4. Okay, that means what? Option 1 and statement 1 and statement 3 are correct here. Therefore, which option I think D here is the correct option, statement 1 and statement 3. Now going to the next question, question number 8. It says that consider a square sheet of side 1 unit. If in the first step it cut along the main diagonal to get the true triangles. Okay, to get the true triangles. I think just a second. Yes, this is okay. To get the triangles, suppose if we draw the squares, so this is suppose the squares. Okay, this is the square of 1 unit. Now first, what cut in the triangles? So this is the triangle, suppose we cut along the diagonals. Okay, now in the next step, one of the cut triangles is revolved about its short edge from the solid. Okay, from the solid. Suppose this is 2 are the short edges, and this, if this is 1 and this is 1, therefore the diagonal is equal to √2. Therefore this is suppose the triangles, and these are 1, and this is √2. Therefore one of the triangles cut and revolve about the short edge, that means revolve about either this axis or this axis. These two are of same length to form the solid, and if we revolve, then we all get a cone. Okay, if we revolve this triangle, then we must get a cone. Also it is given that the volume of the resulting cone, that means it is sure that the revolving image or revolving solid is a cone, in cubic length. Therefore we have to find the volume of this cone. Okay, so the formula of the volume of the cone is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. Okay, we all know that, and radius here equal to 1 unit, and height equal to also 1 unit for this triangle. So this is equal to 1/3 pi into 1 square into 1, that means pi by 3 is the answer. This is a very easy question of 2 marks question. So therefore here answer 1 or option A is correct option. Okay, now going to the next question, question number 9. It says that here it is given a bar graph. Okay, question says that the number of minutes spent by two students X and Y. This is this solid black color is X, and the arrows, this one is X, Y. This is X and this is Y. Okay, students X and Y existing every day in a given week. These are the 7 days from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Okay, week are shown in the bar chart above. This is a questions from what? This is a questions from data interpretation. Okay, the number of days in the given week in which one of the students spends a minimum of 10% more than the other student on given day is. That means we have to calculate the number of days of the week in which, okay, what, one of the students spends a minimum of 10% or more. We have to calculate the number of days in which a student spent minimum 10% more than. Okay, that means 10% or 20% or 30% more number of days in the given week which another given spent. Okay, so we have to calculate the value in which the difference between the students is 10% or more. Okay, so here the data are 45, 70, 55, 65. You can watch this structure to pause the video. Okay, now I just calculate the above percentage. Okay, we can conclude the number of days in the given week in which one of the students spends more than the other student. Okay, now we calculate on Monday the required percentage is what? On Monday we have to calculate the percentage. Okay, on Monday this is equal to the required percentage equal to, this is the great highest value, this is the smaller value. So Monday is what? 70 minus 45 by 45 into 100%. We have to calculate the percentage. So this is equal to what? This is equal to 55.55%. Okay, now so this is greater than 10% or more, therefore we count this Monday. Now Monday, then Tuesday required percentage equal to what? 65 minus 55, 65 minus 55 by 55. Okay, so this is equal to what? Into 100%. Okay, so this is equal to also 18.18%. so this is, we count also these days of the week. Now then Wednesday, this is equal to what? 60, this 60, this is the greater. Okay, here the ordering is not given, that means either x greater or y greater, this is not given. We have just calculate the more. Okay, spends 10%, minimum 10% more, therefore we just calculate the positive sense, positive percentage you can say. Okay, so 60 minus, we just calculate the percentage difference. Okay, not in the ordering of x or y. So 60 minus 50 by 50 into 100%, this is equal to what? This is equal to 20%. Okay, now Wednesday, then Thursday also what? This is 60 and 55. So Thursday equal to 60 minus 55 by 55 into 100%. Okay, so this is equal to what? 9.09%. So we don't calculate this day because this is not more than 10%, this is just 9%. Okay, then Thursday, then Friday required percentage, Friday equal to what? 35 minus 20 by 20 into 100%. Okay, so this is equal to what? 75%. Okay, we calculate this day. Then Friday, then Saturday also 60 minus 50, so that means what? Here 20%, Saturday equal to 20%. And also Sunday, so we calculate, we count this day, and Sunday equal to also 65 minus 55, so this one 18.18%, 18.18%, sorry. So we count also these days, therefore we calculate how many days? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, not Thursday, and Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Therefore total 6 days we count in which one student spent minimum 10% more than the other student. Okay, therefore option C is correct here. Now going to the next question, question number 10. Okay, the question 10 says that corners are cut from an equilateral triangle to produce a regular convex hexagon as shown in the figure given. Okay, the ratios of the area of the regular convex hexagon to the area of the original equilateral triangle is. Okay, so this is a question very easy if we use sum of our knowledge. Okay, but if we calculate, or if we just calculate the required two two areas of the hexagon, convex hexagon, and the given triangle, then this question is a compound or complex problem, you can say. So we need we need simple calculation to solve this question, okay, in the exam hall. Now how can we calculate the question? This area of this triangle 1, triangle 2, and triangle 3 are same, okay, because this is an equilateral triangle and this is an regular hexagon. That means what? All the sides of the hexagon are same, okay. Therefore we now join this line, okay, this line which is parallel to this line, okay, this line and this line are parallel, and now we join this line which is parallel to this one. If we join these two lines which is also parallel to this one, and also join these two lines, okay, these two lines, okay. So if we join like this, then we get 1 2 3 4 5 6 another triangle which are all same area. These 6 triangle and total 9 triangles we get, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So these 9 triangles all have equal area, because this is a equilateral triangle, all 3 sides are equal, and this is a regular hexagon, all the 6 sides are equal, okay. Therefore we get 9 equal triangles. Now therefore we have to calculate the area of the original convex hexagon is to the area of the original equilateral triangle. Therefore in the hexagon, regular hexagon, their number of triangles is equal area, all triangles is equal to 6, and in the original equilateral triangle the number of triangle with equal area is equal to 9. So this is the ratio of their what? Area. So this is equal to 2:3, okay. So this is the problem. So now the area answer is what? 2:3. Option A is clearly correct answer, okay. So this ends today's class of 10 question solutions of GATE what? GATE 2021 from statistics paper, okay. So this is the content. So if the content is helpful, then please give a like to this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe the channel. Thank you friends. See you again in the next video. Thank you.